Namaste.
Namaste, everybody. How
Welcome.
you doing? Welcome to another show. Woo. Today we got a new soda.
New soda. Boba Fett.
Boba Fett. So
we'll get into it.
Nick is going to try and pull a chase.
I need to pull a chase. We'll get into it right after this.
Welcome back. Let's get going. Because I know you're all excited.
I am excited. Nick needs to pull a chase, man. Gonna start off 15,000 piece. Big piece count. I forgot what the other Star Wars sodas were. I think they were all about 15,000, right?
Yeah.
Except for the convention ones.
Yeah.
Chase. And we're back to this again. All right. There is the common, which Nick's been pulling a lot of recently. So that's, I love that.
It's pretty cool. I mean, I put it up there with the Jawa.
Alrighty. Let's see the chase. This is the chase.
Chaseola.
Damn it. Damn it. All right, here we go. Bam.
Pretty cool.
25 hundo.
This one and Jawa are the best.
Nick doesn't pull the chase, but that's okay.
It's okay.
It ain't better than the Jawa chase, but in my opinion. But it is pretty badass. I do enjoy this soda together. It's pretty good common and chase.
I like it.
Set. So these are up on the website right now. Chance at chases. Anything else? Make sure you like, share, subscribe.
Yep.
Ring the bell.
Ring it.
Come out to our Whatnot auctions this weekend for those blacklight raffle prizes.
Yep. And don't forget, August 27th, LSAPC.
Jeremy and Mitchie.
The cancer fundraiser. We're almost at 1,000, and when we hit 1,000, if we do it before the show, we're going to be donating $1,000. So,
yep. All right,
give us a follow, give us a sub here,
and we'll see you in our next video or out on our Whatnot.
Namaste.
Bye, everyone.